I have heard too many people say, I'm just going with the flow, let universe handle everything for me. I'm just placing the trust on God and let me just vibe and sit back and relax. Have you heard this too? Are you the one who's saying that? So, do you think this is really going to work? So, the universe is really going to, give you whatever that you want and you do nothing? Does it really work that way? Hi, my name is Avarnya, and today I'm going to talk about action versus surrender. So, as I said, a lot of people, trust the higher power, trust the universe, and let God handle everything, let universe handle anything. I have seen numerous people saying that, but does it really work? So, according to me, what I think is, if you just say, I'm going to surrender to the higher power, I'm going to put faith on God and sit back and relax and do nothing, I don't think you're going to get anything from that. You have to put in something to get something out of it. There should be some sort of cause for something to happen, for the effect to come. So there should be some sort of cause and effect happening, only then there would be some things moving. So say for example, I'm just holding a pen and I'm just keeping a pen in the table and I just say ki, I want the pen to move. That is not going to happen, right? There should be some sort of external circumstances that should be happening, which makes the pen move. Just because I'm sitting back and I'm telling universe ki, please give me this and that and everything without doing anything, I don't think that is really going to happen. So yes, there is a saying that even in Bhagavad Gita, if I've read Bhagavad Gita, then there is a saying that do your karam, that is do your work or do your action, let the results be in God's hands, or surrender the, do not get it too attached to the outcome or the result of the action that you have done. So definitely, and I totally believe in this particular thing. So it's not that I'm going to say, for example, I'm going to put that in my on my vision board. I'm having a you know luxury house in my vision board and I'm going to just sit back and relax and asking God to asking, praying to God every day and telling him, this is what I want, I don't know how we're going to do it, and I'm just enjoying here, I'm not taking any external action to make it happen. But it's on my vision board, that doesn't mean that it is going to happen, right? So even here, if I had this dream of starting a YouTube channel for so long, but I wasn't taking any action towards my dream, I wasn't doing anything, I was not moving the needle towards my dream. So did it happen for so many years? I did not start any YouTube channel, I did not, I was not consistent with making videos at all. So definitely there should be some sort of action from your end, only then you can detach from the results, detach from the outcome, so that let the divine timing happen and let universe take care of it. See, action is always your responsibility, your job to do, but the results or the outcome, it is universe's job. So you have to surrender to the higher power, you cannot control each and everything. To be honest, even I am a control freak, I like to do things my way in my time, and I get so frustrated if something doesn't go my way. And if I even here when I'm posting videos, there are times when I think I'm posting every week, why am I not getting views, why am I you know like, am I, is it ever going to work out? So all these thoughts definitely come to me as well. It's not that if I say ki, yeah, do your job and surrender to the higher power, I'm sure it is not easy, it's easier said than done. Even it uh, for a control freak like me, even it is very difficult to uh, surrender to the higher power and let God handle the rest, or let universe handle the rest. It is very difficult, I totally understand, but it is what it is, right? So the only thing that is in your hands is doing the work, be it be anything. You might have a dream, you might have a goal, work towards it, be consistent, work towards it every single day, take one small action towards it every single day, and do not focus on the results, do not focus on the how, do not focus on when, do not focus on what. No, just do your work. Do not think about when it is going to happen, when will my video blow up, when will my reel blow up, or when will I get my dream house, or whatever it is. Do not think of it, or how will you get it. Do not think of the how as well, because those are the things that is not in your hands. The only thing that is in your hands and which you can control is the action that you take towards your dream. That is the only thing that is in your hands, and it is your responsibility to work towards it, be consistent, and to get closer to your goal. That is the only thing that you can do. So definitely the only thing I want to say in this video is, do your work, be consistent, and let God handle when and how. Let universe handle and do its magic. So definitely it's very difficult for me as well. When I'm saying this, I'm not perfect at this. uh, I'm also a human being. There are times when I get these negative thoughts where I think about, how is it really going to work out. Am I really going to get all the things that I dream of? Will my video go viral, or and will I ever be successful? All these thoughts definitely do come across my mind every now and then. But so previously I was going into that negative loop where I was overthinking about all of this, how and when, and why, how the things would unfold and all of those things. But over the past few years, what I have realized is, the only thing that is in your hands, do the things that are in your control, in your hands. Then let God handle the rest, let universe handle the rest. This is the mind shift mindset shift that you can do as well. This is the only formula, this is the only thing that you can say to yourself. E- even when I am getting into that overthinking pattern, this is what I say: let me do the work, and let universe handle the rest. That is the only thing I remind myself again and again, so that whenever I'm getting into that overthinking pattern, this is what I remind myself, so that it is the only thing that actually keeps me calm. Definitely, even there are a lot of things that I think that I don't know if this is going to happen or that is going to happen, how it's going to happen. But the only thing I know is, if I do the work, then definitely universe will know that you are serious, that I am serious, and it will make sure that you get it no matter what. The only thing that you have to do is do your work, do the action. The only formula is action plus detachment plus trust. You have to trust in the universe. Let the magic happen. So do not try to control each and every aspect of it. Leave some room for some magic to happen. Definitely, God's plan or universe's plan is greater than your plan. So definitely there are a lot of times when things did not go my way, and I used to ask, this is what I wanted, but it did not happen, and I used to be sad and disappointed with myself, like, oh, what went wrong. And but then later, over the past few years, what my I have shifted my mindset from why always me to, no, this is the only thing that I can do is work on my goals, and rest the universe will take care of. if universe has put that particular goal in your mind, then definitely it wants you to achieve, you know achieve that particular goal. So that's why work towards it. No matter, maybe today you wouldn't see anything happening, but few years down the line you would be so surprised that, wow, I really trusted in the universe's plan. See, we always wish for a flower, but then universe has planned the whole garden for you, so you never know what might happen. So you might have lost something, but universe is going to replace that particular thing with something bigger and better, and definitely it is going to be much beautiful than what you have planned for yourself. So that's why it's important for you to leave some room for magic to unfold, and you know and trust the divine timing. That's the only thing you can do your work. That doesn't mean that you have to completely stop working and sit back and relax. It is not going to come to you. Your goal, your house is not going to come to you or on its own. It's not possible. You have to work towards it. You have to make a plan on how to achieve that goal. When and how, leave that to the higher powers. You do not have to take care of it. So in this video, this is the only thing that I want to say, that do your work, let universe handle the rest. That's all I want to say. And if you like such videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you. Bye bye.